The top 10 most dangerous animal in the world by killing humans. Number 2 will be shocked you. Number 10. Lions. Lions kill 200 humans per year. Lions are generally not known to specifically target and kill humans, as they typically avoid humans and view them as a potential threat. However, there have been rare cases where lions have attacked and killed humans. Number 9. Hippos. Hippos kill 500 humans per year. Hippos are generally known to be aggressive and territorial animals and have been known to attack and kill humans who venture too close to them or their territory. Hippos are one of the most dangerous large animals in Africa. Number 8. Elephants. Elephants kill 600 humans per year. Elephants are generally gentle and intelligent animals, but they can become aggressive and pose a danger to humans in certain situations. It typically uses its massive size and strength to inflict damage. Number 7. Crocodiles. Crocodiles kill 1,000 humans per year. Crocodiles are powerful predators and are known to be capable of killing humans. It typically uses its powerful jaws and sharp teeth to grab and subdue its victim before dragging them underwater to drown. Number 6. Scorpions. Scorpions kill 3,300 humans per year. Scorpions can be venomous, and in some cases, their venom can cause serious harm to humans. While scorpions are generally not aggressive and tend to avoid humans, they may sting if they feel threatened or provoked. Assassin bugs. Chagas disease. These bugs kill 10,000 humans per year. Assassin bugs are a group of predatory insects that are capable of killing their prey, including other insects and even small animals like mice. When an assassin bug bites a human, it typically uses its sharp mouth parts to pierce the skin and feed on blood. Number 4. Dogs' rabies. Dogs kill 59,000 humans per year. It is very rare for dogs to kill humans, and most dogs are not dangerous to humans. However, in some cases, dogs may become aggressive and attack humans, which can result in serious injury or even death. Number 3. Snakes. Snakes kill 138,000 humans per year. Snakes are capable of killing humans through their venomous bites or through constriction, depending on the species. Venomous snakes inject venom through their fangs when they bite. Number 2. Humans. Homicides only. Humans kill 4 lakh humans per year. There are many potential reasons why humans may kill another. Anger or revenge, jealousy or envy, mental illness, financial or social gain, ideological or political reasons. Number 1. Mosquito. Mosquito kills 7,25,000 per year through spreading disease such as dengue, malaria.